The first method is to restart your PlayStation. So this is one of the best way to fix the issue. It resolves the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just have to open PS5 screen and then click on PlayStation button. After that, select power and click on restart PS5. So after restarting your PS5, now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings, move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete saved data. After that, check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next move to third solution, it's rebuild database. For that, first you need to switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless two beeps sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and select rebuild database. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings, then go to user and accounts, then move down to other on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select the game and select restore, and finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and not running on outdated version. The developers of the game releases patches to deal with these kinds of problems and improve performance. So make sure you update your game, and after that check if the problem is fixed. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on PS5, select system. Now go to system software, then click on system software update and settings. After that, select update system software, and at last select update using internet option. Next solution is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts. Now go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and check for the error is resolved or not. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then settings, then set up network connection. After that, click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to change language on console. So first open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here select language option from the left sidebar. Select current language. Now from here change your language to English or any other you want, and then check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on PS5, then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, select restore option. Next method is to reinstall the game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5, then press options on your controller. Now select delete and then confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and then install the game again to check for the error. If not, the final solution is to contact support. So when the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should contact PlayStation support. I have already provided this link in the description. Just go through it and explain the issue you are coming across while playing the game to the support team. Hopefully they will try to resolve the issue, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.